I get it. You want to find an email and SMS provider that offers the most value for the best price, and that's why you're here. I also know that easily understanding the actual price and what you get for it can be confusing. Lucky for you, that's why I'm here. I'm going to break it all down and show you how pricing compares between Omnisend and Klaviyo, both now and as you grow. And as a bonus, show you how you can save even more. I'm Greg Zakwitz, an e-commerce marketing expert and 18-year email geek, so I've been down this road before. Now, if you want to skip ahead, you can easily compare Omnisend to multiple other email providers all at the same time using Omnisend's free comparison tool, which is linked in the video description below. Now, as a baseline for this video, Omnisend and Klaviyo each offer 3 plans. Omnisend's plans are free, standard, and pro. Klaviyo's comparable plans are free, email, and SMS. Now, these are the ones we'll be comparing to one another. Let's get to what you're here for. Let's look at a few side-by-side pricing examples for different email list sizes. Let's start small. If you're a newer brand just now focusing on growing your email list and don't have many contacts, the free plan is probably best suited for you. But even with the free plan, there are some differences. So let's say you have 200 contacts. With both Omnisend and Klaviyo's free plans, you'll have access to all features, including sign-up forms, automations, and the drag-and-drop email builder, just to name a few. And you'll be able to send up to 500 emails each month on both. Now, for SMS on the free plan, Omnisend and Klaviyo differ. My guess is that with a small email list, you also have a small SMS list, so this might be moot. But with Klaviyo, they offer 150 monthly SMS credits, good for roughly 150 SMS to US contacts. But be aware, 1 credit does not equal 1 SMS. So for instance, if you're sending to a UK contact, it'll cost you 5 credits. Now, Omnisend, on the other hand, offers $1 in SMS credits, good for 60 US SMS sends to send on a one-time basis. If you need to send more SMS, you can easily purchase more at any time. The other difference is that Omnisend allows you to send up to 500 web push messages each month. Now, brands sent more than 260 million push messages in 2023, so it's a channel worth exploring, especially when you have a smaller list and every sale counts. Now, there's one more thing to discuss: customer support. With Omnisend's free plan, you'll have access to our award-winning 24/7 live customer chat and email support with an average response time in under 5 minutes. Now, with Klaviyo, they offer free users only email support and only for 60 days. After that, you're on your own. So not really what you want when you're just figuring things out. It's also worth noting their estimated wait time for email support is anywhere from 4 to 48 hours, not 5 minutes like Omnisend. But hey, don't take our word for it. So those are the free accounts on both Omnisend and Klaviyo. All right, let's say you have a larger email list. Here's how pricing looks with 2,000 contacts. The cost of email on Omnisend's standard plan is $30 per month. The comparable Klaviyo plan at $60 will cost you twice as much. But will you get twice as much for what it'll cost? Let's find out. Here's a breakdown of what you receive on both platforms for the same number of contacts. With Omnisend, you can send up to 24,000 emails each month. You'll receive 60 one-time use SMS credits. You'll have unlimited web push messages and access to 24/7 priority support, again, live chat and email. Now, here's what you get with Klaviyo: 25,000 monthly email sends, mobile push notifications if your store has a phone app, 150 mobile SMS credits, email and chat support, with chat support only being available on weekdays. So the email plan at Klaviyo at twice the cost gets you only 1,000 more emails, less customer support, no web push messages, and depending on the country you send to, just a few more SMS messages. Doesn't seem like something that's worth paying double for, does it? Okay, now if SMS is important to you or you need more email, you'll want to look at Omnisend's Pro plan. Now, Omnisend's Pro plan will cost $59 per month and offers unlimited emails, 3,900 free SMS each month, unlimited web push notifications, 24/7 priority support, and advanced reporting. Now, in Klaviyo's comparable email and SMS plan, you'd be spending $95 a month. You'll be capped at 25,000 monthly email sends. You'll get 3,750 monthly SMS credits, mobile push notifications, again, if your store has a phone app, and email and chat support, weekends, of course, excluded for chat support. So in both cases, Omnisend offers better prices, more support, all of the features you expect, and overall greater value. Okay, now let's grow your list size. I wave my magic wand and magically you have 20,000 contacts. Here's how the plan stacks up. Now, Omnisend's standard plan will cost $265. For that, you can send up to 240,000 emails each month. You'll receive 60 one-time use SMS credits. You'll have unlimited web push messages and access to 24/7 priority support, again, live chat and email. Now, Klaviyo's similar email plan is more than $100 extra, coming in at $375 per month. Now for that, you'll get 40,000 fewer email sends each month, mobile push notifications, again, if your store has an app, 150 monthly SMS credits, and email and chat support. Those same restrictions still apply. Now for those 20,000 contacts on the largest plans, Omnisend's Pro plan will cost $375, while Klaviyo's will cost $600 a month. Ouch. Now Omnisend's Pro plan will give you unlimited email sends, 25,000 free SMS per month, unlimited web push messages, access to 24/7 priority support, and advanced reporting. Now compare this to Klaviyo's email and SMS plan, which limits you to 200,000 emails per month, provides mobile push notifications, again, you know the drill here, gives you 25,000 monthly SMS credits, and email and chat support with the usual restrictions. So you don't need to be a rocket scientist to see why Omnisend is a better fit. All right, let's look at one final example. And this time you've grown your list to 35,000 contacts. Nice work. Now Omnisend's standard plan will cost $356. For that, you can send up to 420,000 emails each month. You'll receive 60 one-time use SMS credits. You'll have unlimited web push messages and access to 24/7 priority support. Now, Klaviyo's similar email plan is nearly $200 extra, coming in at $550 per month. Now, for that, you'll get 70,000 fewer email sends, mobile push notifications, again, if your store has an app, 150 monthly SMS credits, and email and chat support. You guessed it. Those same restrictions apply. Now, Omnisend's Pro plan for 35,000 contacts will cost $546, while Klaviyo's email and SMS plan will cost $865 per month. So with Omnisend, you'll get unlimited email sends, over 36,000 free SMS per month, unlimited web push messages, a dedicated customer success manager who will provide you ongoing support and strategic email and SMS best practice guidance, 24/7 priority support, again, live chat and email, and advanced reporting. Now compare this to Klaviyo's email and SMS plan, which limits you to 350,000 emails per month, not unlimited sends. Provides mobile push notifications, again, if your store has an app, offers 35,000 monthly SMS credits, and email and chat support. And once again, you guessed it, those restrictions apply. So to me, it's clear. Omnisend is far and away a better value. Now, you wouldn't choose to drive a car that limits the number of miles you can drive, doesn't offer maintenance on the weekends, and costs more, would you? So why should your business be any different? Omnisend offers all the features you love, award-winning 24/7 support, better pricing, and greater value than Klaviyo. In fact, Omnisend has better reviews than Klaviyo on Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, and Wix marketplaces, among others. So we've shattered the myth that great email marketing has to be expensive. Now see how much Omnisend can save you with our free price comparison tool. And to give you even more value, we're currently offering an amazing discount on one of our paid plans, which you can find all the details in the video description. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want even more great e-commerce marketing content, check out this video right here. And until next time, happy marketing, everyone.